There's no beach there, is there?
There is.
Yeah.
There is. It's right in a,
That's
a
why she
mini
said
bay.
it comes on
Yeah.
a canoe.
Yeah.
Is it an actual Hawaiian person?
Well,
The one who comes in the
Yeah,
canoe?
yeah. They have that decor.
real
Yeah,
Hawaiian.
yeah. They have a better costumes. You know, like.
Wow.
How many pounds?
Oh, plenty.
Not yet, but it will. More than we can. Yeah, really.
You like that?
Should I make it of your,
All right.
in Hawaii and ask for a blessing?
Like a ceremony.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it turns out. I don't know. Today's so it's a hot schedule. But they here, so.
Is this recording? It is recording.
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Okay.
It is.
The poking face to my. I want the video.
Aloha!
Aloha.
You ready to see this?
Yeah,
Yes.
the first time. You're gonna walk on the hot coals, right?
Is the lady gonna
Yes,
come to
$10.
sing or no? Not to, the lady gonna come?
Oh no, she actually they had switched days off, so she's off today.
Oh, okay.
So you're stuck with us.
Just don't board her yourself.
Today what you got here is what we call an emu. Spelled IMU, it's not like the bird emu. Started a large fire this morning using about 60 pieces of spit mesquite. Here we call it ke'ave. You just keep trying to say that.
Ke'ave.
Ke'ave. Translation is wood. It's that big piece of tree right there between the coconut trees. Nice hard burning wood. Burns very long, burns very hot. Back in the olden days, the Hawaiians would use hop trees, whatever coconut trees we had here. On the wood we stacked on these lava rocks. And these lava rocks are porous, as you can see. So what that does is it helps release the heat without exploding. If you use a solid rock, what happens is it'll eventually blow up if it gets too hot. And we stuff some of these bigger hotter rocks to the cavity of the pig just to make sure that it'll cook from the inside out.
Wow.
We don't want you to serve you guys an uncooked pig.
Nothing water.
Is anyone's first time seeing this?
Yes.
Yeah, the first
Yeah,
time.
it's his first time too, so bear with him too, okay?
I know, that's what she was saying.
But then they're not supposed to wear like shoes.
I don't know why they shoot
Today's
this
pig is 170 pounds. Wow. Big boy. With these rocks, it'll probably be about 185 maybe.
How many people does that feed?
Well, tonight it'll feed everybody. It's not just the pig on the menu. It's not common one person eats just a pound of pork. Unless you're from my family. But it'll feed everybody. When you at home, you have a lot more help, a lot more alcohol,
Yeah.
and a backhoe.
Imagine the stone fall into their feet.
Don't. It's terrible.
This what we call is a stalk from a banana tree. There's a lot of sugars in it and waters in it. So once the heat starts to hit it, it'll help release those sugars, give the pig a nice slow cook, helps carbonize the pig, keeps it away from the direct heat, so that it burn everything.
Would it catch fire if you just left it like that?
For a while, yeah, but if you want to feel it, it's naturally moist. Let's cut down, I'd say, about a week and a half ago, it'll stay that way.
Oh, it is moist.
At home, we like to cut it down and let it sit for about a month or so. So the sugar will naturally break down itself. And it becomes a dark orange color. We like that fermentation 2 hours at home.
He's gonna burn his feet.
Any question? Hurry up.
That's the way. They don't try like shoulder or something to protect their feet.
But it's just tradition.
Yeah, I know it's tradition, but it's wear something.
You guys want to take a picture of the pig? You guys welcome to do it now. It won't jump up or anything, I promise. Good?
Tell Mario to come down.
So these here are called tea leaves. They're not like Lipton tea. They're actually part of a palm family. It's spelled T-I. Kind of acts like foil. Nothing really sticks to it, doesn't burn very easily. You guys are going to the show tonight, you'll see using the girls' hula skirts. We don't use grass skirts in a way, we use tea leaf skirts.
That doesn't put the fire out?
Well, once we bury the whole thing, there'll be no oxygen there, so the fire's gonna die out. Just the heat from that rocks is what's gonna cook everything. That's the plan anyway.
The whole day.
All day. All day?
Yeah, the whole day. Until time.
No, they're putting linen sheets on top.
This is what we call ancient Hawaiian hotel bed sheets. Courtesy of the Marriott.
Marriott bed sheets.
Yeah, exactly.
The purpose is to keep the dirt out once you bury everything. Back in the day, they didn't have bed sheets, of course, so what they would do is they would weave mats out of the coconut leaves.
The night pig.
We had
Good night, pig. Like good night, little pig.
oh, Papa. You know, the bark of the tree almost after the fall.
Melba.
I'm kidding. Good luck, babe. I don't steam.
Hot.
So growing up, this is our version of pigs in a blanket. It has those sweet things.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, thank you.
So the steamer.
Steam very surprising us.
Any volunteers? Take a good picture.
Oh, no.
Oh, go jump. I don't think you can go.
Just everybody back at home, you did one.
Well, for me, let me volunteer. I would like to volunteer.
Is he kidding?
That is kidding. I don't know. Should I volunteer?
Were you
Still me.
kidding or?
You're
Oh,
kidding?
serious? You want the picture?
Yeah, I would like.
You have to shovel too.
Yeah.
Just around the sides like he's doing.
Did you do the top as well?
We want to seal up the sides first. So next time you come here, you want to make extra money. You just gotta do the whole thing. You gotta do the whole thing. Have an experience. Yeah. You got a picture? Good.
Putting the dirt over it so that the steam stays in and it cooks the steam throughout the day. Sealing it in and it'll just steam it so it seals in all day.
Done this before? Done this before?
No. Just guesstimating.
Yeah, good guesstimate.
Tell me when I screw this up.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
We like the fire, people think we put the pig in. Sometimes we tell people we're passing profile pig.
How long until the fire goes out?
It's probably out already.
Probably out already.
Suffocates it, so there's no option in there.
Yeah.
We're getting a pig from what?
Where do you guys get the pig?
Freshly flown from Iowa.
Iowa.
Comes with a fancy USDA stamp. We have local farmer is here.
Yeah.
We do about 5-6 pigs a week. There's a lot of a lot of demand here.
Yeah. Do they come live or
No,
on the plane? No.
that's the bad guys.
Okay, that's good.
At home we use wild pigs. For the
Yeah.
hotel we have to use USDA pigs.
Okay.
If you're not accustomed to the wild flavor, you probably won't like the wild taste.
It's different.
It's a lot more gamey. Depending on what part of the island you get the pig from, they all depend on what they taste like. On the west coast, you need a lot of mac nuts. So you got a lot of like, nice mac nut flavor. Here on this side of the island, they have the calvi tree has calvi beans. So they have that sweetness to it.
The meat?
It all depends what's that part of the island you get them from.
You guys be here tonight?
No, the good, not us. Call them the good looking guys to come down and take our credit for this. We'll come down and take it out for you guys and do the whole show. So if it doesn't cook, it's not our fault.
What time do you take it off?
5:45.
5:25
Yeah, 5:45.
down there.
Yeah. So if you want to watch it get revealed, I think come here around like 5:40. Everybody will surround the pit.
I think we should come.
Yeah. Thank you very much. All the funnels.
Check another video.
Just have a great day.
Hungry already?
Yeah. We don't need this anymore.
So how do you catch the wild pigs?
Here, a lot of people here run dogs or eat wild